Hi, I'm Radona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Madonna with me. Yes, so Radona Madonna. Anyway, it's awesome. So she has come a few times. She moved from out of state and she lives up north, and so she drives to Nephi to get her hair done. So it's been fun to get to know her and her husband. Her husband's actually here today too to get his hair cut. He comes every other time. But anyway, I wanted you to meet her. She's a sweetheart, and I want to show you her cute haircut. So we are going to tighten this up, and when and you can see the body she has in her hair. You can just see that see how it kind of curls there. But we round brush it, and it's just more of a soft, pretty look. Okay, so we're just gonna just bring this across here. So yeah, when Madonna reached out, let's see, it's been, gosh, how many months now?
It's a couple months.
Yeah, it's been a little bit. So it's been so fun getting to know them and their family, and yeah, it's been awesome. Okay, I'm just gonna clean this up. Okay, awesome. All right, now up top, I'm gonna come in here and we're gonna point cut into this. Just about the same, right?
Yes.
As last time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yep.
perfect. Perfect. So yeah, they moved from their home that you had been there for a long time, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
their whole, yeah, so I'm sure that was definitely a challenge and different for sure, but exciting, right? There you go. Even better word. Way better than the words I was using. I guess it's just, I've lived in little old Nephi forever, and so I think it's just kind of, you know what I mean? I've just been used to it, and so to move and do something like that would be crazy. But we are actually, you know, building this new house that we're building. We're in Nephi, but we're kind of out a little bit, and so it will be different than, you know, like the state that we're in and things like that will be totally different. So yeah, it'll be fun new adventure, right?
Oh, definitely. We feel like we're on a vacation.
Yeah,
You know?
serious. That's true. That's true. I'm sure.
It's so beautiful out here.
Oh, and then being by your grandkids, right?
Yeah, oh, yeah. That's the best part.
Yeah, exactly. I hear that. I do. So down here on the bottom, I just hold my fingers tighter, like next to her head more, so it's shorter back through this area. And that way, just so it doesn't get too bulky back here, because she does have a lot of hair. That's for sure. Okay. So you can see I'm just holding that and point cutting. Okay, just bringing that up from her ear. And then holding that out. You can see that guide point right there. And then you just connect that. Perfect. Okay, and then I love to just hold that ear down with the comb, and then just take that so it's nice and clean back behind her ear. Okay, and then we'll start back up here on the top. And her hair color, it's gorgeous. I told her before we just started the video, I'm like, I might say a little story about her cute husband. He says, well, about her not coloring because she's just gone to her natural color, which is this, and so she's super blessed that it's this gorgeous. Anyway, but it's cute that he thinks that he's saving a small car payment on a month for not having to color hair.
More shoes for me.
There you go. There you go. Oh, absolutely. Fill up the closet with shoes instead of coloring hair. It's a great idea. Great, great idea. Yeah, it was so cute. When I met Madonna, I was like, this is so, I said, do people ask you all the time, like, is that your name? Like, because some people, when I'll say, you know, they'll say, what's your name? Radona. And they're like, wait, Madonna? And I'm like, no, Radona. And so when she said Madonna, I like had to, you know, double check because, you know, I get double checked all the time too, but it was so fun when she's like, yeah, yep, that's it. And I'm like, love it. Love it, love it. Okay. All right, now we'll come to the top. That seems, is that a little bulky? Mm-hmm. Yeah. You're like, yep. Okay, so we're just coming across here, point cut, up here to the bang area. If you know you want your bangs longer, make sure you hold those straight up so they fall out. But yeah, we just like this kind of short and piecey. But when we do dry it out, we do more of the soft look, more of the round brush look. So, which suits her super cute.
Well, you're the one doing the magic.
Oh, you're so sweet. So sweet. Well, thank you. Yeah, every time she comes to get it cut, I'm like, oh, I don't really want to wash it because it's always cute when she gets here. She's very good at styling her hair.
Thank you.
Yes, and that's the other thing. Like, you're very blessed. You have really good hair. Like, might be a tiny bit more fine, but you have so much of it. Mm-hmm. It's just, oh, and the body in it is amazing. Yeah, I'm super excited that we got to videotape her haircut. We was going to a couple of times and then things just ended up not working out. And so it just, I was excited that we both could do it, and it was awesome. And I love it too because I just know that like her hair color also just makes the style so pretty too. Like, it's awesome when you know you don't have to go get a color and your color can look amazing. And it just goes with the haircut and all. So you can see these layers out here. I'm just taking this corner off. So that one was almost off, but I just took a little bit more on that other part. Okay, and then this front part. Okay, and now same thing here. I'm gonna go from the ear, just gonna come straight down. I mean, obviously on an angle, but I meant, you know, straight from the ear down here on this angle. Okay. pull it out on the sides. Make sure we're good here. Oh, yep, I felt that little piece right through there. So what's fun is once you know, start doing hair and stuff and you can feel a piece where it's just a little bit longer. It's funny how there's just a little bit of piece that needs to come off. So, okay, now I'm gonna start up here kind of in the mid area this way of the bang. Come on an angle this way. Open and shutting the shears softly. You don't want to like chunk into it. Okay, and then I'm going to just take the bottom and just barely kind of chop into those tiny bit. So that will take a little bit of the length, but the other it'll be kind of chopped into. So, okay, sweet. Now, I'm going to come back through this area because it's thick. So I'm going to use the thinning shears, texturizing shears that are close together. Just going to kind of bring that through here. Okay, and a little bit through the sides here. Same thing on these sides. And then a little bit through here. You're obviously, don't like go down to the scalp there because you don't want little pokies. Okay, and then the more chunky, I'm gonna come up on the ends a little bit. Just so that has a little bit more movement when we go to blow dry. Okay, awesome. All right, now for the fun part. I'm gonna show you how pretty it is when we're done. Okay, so the mousse, I'm gonna use a little bit of mousse. And even though she has enough hair, I love the way that the volume and lift spray, the way it makes it feel. So I'm gonna just spray a little bit of that in there. Okay, and then the back part, we're just gonna dry down. And remember with your client, or if it's you getting your haircut, remember after it's all dry, you can go back and, you know, cut more into it or piece it out more if you feel like you need to. There's a lot of people that think, you know, you get your hair cut and you're done. Sometimes you need a lot of cutting after. So no worries if you want to cut after. Like, see you guys, just that hair. She has perfect hair. She is a lucky gal. To come through, take the round brush here, you can see I have the brush turned this way, kind of going out to the side. Here in the back, I'm just going towards the back this way. And of course the side, I'm just coming down. And then the front, you can see I'm just coming down with that. Then I always like to turn it. Got a big old long hair. There we go. I don't know where that comes from. Okay. Okay, awesome. Now, I'm going to take just a little bit of the styling paste. Just rub it in the fingers. I'm just gonna come up through here. And I'm just piecing this out. Like I said, we round brush hers, give it more of just a soft, full look, but yet a little bit of styling paste can make a difference in the way it looks. Okay, now I'm gonna just back comb it a little, and then I will show you, Madonna, and make sure, you know, if you want any more off or if it's about right or whatever. I'll show you in just a second. Yeah, so if we all could have hair like this, then we'd be fine. She has enough, but not too much that it's not doable. It's just awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna turn her to the mirror so I can see what I've done. That might be a good idea, huh? How does that feel?
It's cute. It's cute.
Is that about right?
Yeah.
Okay, tight enough in the back?
Yes, that's good.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah.
Yay!
Good.
Awesome. Okay, well, thank you, Madonna, for letting us show your cute self off. You're amazing, and I appreciate you coming down. So, you guys, thanks so much. I thought you would enjoy this haircut. Very classy, and she's obviously classy. She's darling. So, anyway, but thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing, and we will chat next time. See ya.